Okay, so the first thing is let's load our environment. Let's open Anaconda prompt. So let's change our directory here, cd:/courses. This is my directory. If you want, you can change your directory to where you saved your Jupyter notebooks for this course. And the other thing is I'll list the environments I have by writing conda env list. So this will list the list of environments that I've already created. So in this course, I'll be using Earth Engine or EE Python env. So I'll activate that environment. All right, it's activated. As you can see here, change it from base to EE Python environment. Now I can load Jupyter Notebook by typing Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So we'll go to a folder where I saved all of my script for this lecture. So this is my Jupyter Notebook for this lecture. So the first batch of these lines of code are pip install Earth Engine. I'm assuming that you have already installed the Earth Engine API. And so I'll skip this. If you're not installed, so you can activate this, and I'll go ahead and import the Earth Engine library, import EE here, and also I'll import the Folium library and also GEE Hydro, which is a visualization package for Earth Engine. So I'll run the cell. As you can see, it's running. Now it's done. If it's your first time, you need to authenticate Earth Engine. You need to uncomment this, but if you have already done so, you can skip authentication and you can simply initialize ee.initialize. We will initialize Earth Engine on this Jupyter Notebook environment, and then I'll execute that. All right, so the next thing is we want to create an interactive mapping dashboard here. So by calling the Folium package here, so you can specify the latitude and longitude for that specific study area that you want to visualize, and you can also choose satellite or hybrid and things like that for the background. So as always, I would like to import countries database and select a certain country just to make sure that we have a specific study area. In this case, I'll use Ethiopia. So I'll filter Ethiopia from the countries database. So this part of the script will import the Landsat imagery, which is Landsat 8 collection 1 data, 2 year of data, 2016 and 27, literally 1 year of data, 2016 January to 2017 January. And I'll filter it by my boundary, and I'll also run a image compositing algorithm. Technically, this is a cloud removal algorithm built in Earth Engine, built in for Landsat data. And I will create some visualization parameters, so using RGB, different band combination, band 4, band 3 and band 2 here in this case, and also I'll include the near infrared band, band 5, band 4 and band 3 of Landsat 8, and I'll create a map of the different true color composite and a false color composite here, and I'll execute that. Oh, the map is, I have to execute this actually, and then execute that. Should be fine now. Execute that. Okay, so I should have my Landsat data here. I can actually change the background to, you know, Google Map. All right, and then here's my true color composite for the steady area here, and I can also add the false color composite using the near infrared. All right, you can see here it's loading. So I have a true color composite. All right. So this is the true color composite for Ethiopia. As you can see here, this is the boundary of Ethiopia. And I have a true color composite of Landsat 8 for 2016. You can see here. And you can also see the false color composite using the near infrared band. Okay, so this is how you would visualize, you know, Landsat data and subset certain country using Earth Engine built-in cloud cloud clearing or cloud masking algorithm.